Alrighty, so we made it to Palouse Falls. Now we're gonna walk around and see if we can take a picture. Just look at all that. There, that's the Columbia basalts from the 16 million years ago or so of dumping all the lava down. Here's the waterfall. Wowzer. Alright, so once again, Jens wants me to go crazy and walk on these places that are scary.
Never fear. Yen's here for you.
Great. She can barely pick up my leg. What's she gonna do?
That's true.
We'll see if I go over there. I'm a big scaredy cat and these things are high. And there's no fence. Rattlesnake area. Right down right yonder. Here's the word. People have died here. Watch your children, watch your dogs. There she is, way up there. Alrighty, so that was Palouse Park, or Palouse Falls State Park. Hope you like some of the vid we got. Babe, what did you think?
Oh my goodness, it was amazing. If you ever get the chance, do it. Come over here. It's spectacular.
It's just like maybe a 2-mile drive on the dirt road at most. There's no camping. It's just day use. There's a pretty big parking area. It's like 3 or 4 levels big. And it's all very walkable. The waterfall is right in the parking area. So basically, you can walk about maybe 20 to 40 yards from the parking lot, the bottom parking lot, and be right overlooking the waterfalls.
Yeah, and we have a lot of picnic tables. I had a great view.
Yeah.
The picnic table I sat on with the Palouse, so that was really nice.
Yeah, and you can see there's an accessible trail. So it's really nice. It's very easy to get to and very easy to see once you're way the heck out here in Washington, Eastern Washington. So we'll see where we go next.